Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili sauce in a factory. The journey begins with selecting high-quality fresh chilies, which are thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or debris. Next, these chilies are carefully sorted, ensuring only the best are used. They are then crushed into a fine paste, often removing stems and seeds to achieve the desired texture. Simultaneously, other essential ingredients like garlic, salt, sugar, and vinegar are precisely measured, preparing them for the blending stage. This meticulous preparation ensures a consistent and flavorful base for our delicious sauce. After preparation, the chili paste and other ingredients are transferred to large cooking vessels. Here, the mixture is heated and gently simmered, typically around 185 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. This cooking process also helps reduce moisture content and ensures the sauce is safe for consumption. Following cooking, the mixture is blended using high-speed equipment to achieve either a smooth or chunky consistency, depending on the specific chili sauce recipe. Quality control is paramount throughout the entire process. Samples of the chili sauce are regularly taken and rigorously tested for flavor, consistency, and crucial pH levels to meet strict standards. Following this, the sauce undergoes a vital pasteurization process, often heated to 95 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 seconds. This critical step eliminates any harmful microorganisms, ensuring the product is safe for consumption and significantly extending its shelf life, maintaining its delicious quality. The final stage involves automated filling and packaging. Once cooled, the chili sauce is precisely pumped into sterilized bottles, jars, or pouches using advanced filling machines, ensuring accurate levels. These containers are then securely sealed with airtight caps to prevent any contamination and preserve freshness. Finally, each product receives its label, displaying essential information, before being carefully packed into cartons. These cartons are then prepared for efficient distribution to stores and consumers worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.